Model, 2019 Peugeot Boxer 335 PRO L3H2 BHDI Super Low Miles 39K Engine knocking no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 39,444. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, 2 keys, cruise control, air con, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,750 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.